If you have a case in court, when should you first try to contact an attorney? The answer is as soon as possible. What I often find is that people procrastinate about things they don't like to do. I guess that's not that surprising, but sometimes people will not contact an attorney until the very last minute. We get a lot of calls the day before court, the week before an answer is due in a civil lawsuit, right before a hearing where they've been subpoenaed to testify. If you've been served with something that means you've got to go to court, don't delay. Call an attorney immediately. Here's a few reasons why you want to talk to an attorney as quickly as you can. Number one, attorneys are typically really busy. Okay, so if you are trying to get into an attorney to talk to them, some offices won't get you in for a few weeks. At Cornerstone Law Firm, we try to get people in within about 48 hours, business hours, after they call. We can't always do that when we're busy and when things are going crazy. So we try to cram in people and talk to them as quickly as we can. But sometimes it will take you time to actually get an appointment with an attorney. A second thing is you might talk to the attorney and they might have a conflict. There might be a reason they can't represent you. They hear the story and say, oh, you know what? This is too similar to something else going on. I can't help you. They're too busy. You might hear them and think they don't know what they're talking about. You might hear them and decide, you're too expensive. I don't really think we work well together. You want time to be able to talk to more than one attorney if you have to or if you really feel that you should. You might want time to get a second opinion. A third reason that you should be quick about getting in touch with an attorney is that they may have additional investigation that they want to do or information they want you to gather. They may say, I want to see all the documents. I want to see all the emails you ever sent this person. I want to read all the text messages. And it's going to take you time to go through your phone and screenshot everything, give it to the paralegal or the intake coordinator who's going to provide it to the attorney. They need time to look at it. Everything in this process takes time. So the more you procrastinate, the more you delay, the less time you have to work with. You want to see time in a lawsuit or in criminal charges as an asset that you're using. So if you've been charged with a crime, if you've been sued, if you need to go to court, if you have a legal issue, contact an attorney as soon as you can and get the process started. It's extremely important to give your attorney and yourself as much time to work with as you possibly can.